Hello everyone, welcome to the Gobel channel. This is Rita, and today's video is about how to assemble the JK314 16 kWh lithium-ion battery. And here is the accessory of the battery case. Okay, and this way is a 16 EVA 314A+ battery cell. Okay, let's go to the next part, how to assemble. Okay, the first step, we go from the front panel, and you can see the screen. Okay. We use the screw to make Expandable. And the circuit breaking. And you can see the screw kit, and you can easily find them by this paper, and you can see there have number B13 and others you can see the B9, B1. Okay. And this is the bus bar. The black one is negative, and the red color is the positive. You can see this mark. This is a negative, and this is a black one. And this is the positive and the red color. This is the on and off switch. Okay, this box is BMS. You can show, and here have another wire. And this is a communication board. Okay, this tubers and has this number 85. And take another tube, the number 86. You can pay the attention to their position. Okay, next stop, we can come here the battery case and we'll start with this epoxy board. And we use the bigger one, put into the battery case. And we need to make sure we put the epoxy board around the battery. Okay, we need to pay attention to the position of the battery cell. You can see this is the negative and this is the positive. And this way battery cell is same, negative, positive. At the end, we should check this battery cell presentation, and you can see this way, and all are done is negative, and this way is positive. At the same here. And this part is the compressed pail. And you should make clean here. You can see the difference is this A and this is B. This part will take out the Cooper adapter, and you can pay attention to this, the long here, and we give you to standby. Put them between the negative and the positive. Now we will use the special screw again. After the screw, and we use the detection wrench to confirm this battery date is 8 to 10 Newton. Now we stick the temperature tester. Okay, we are already finished the battery part, and we go in another part is about the BMS. And this is the BMS mounting plate, and this is BMS. And we put the BMS mounting plate on his position. Okay, now take the 8 tuber. Okay, take another tube. Here's 8-7. Okay, this is the wires connect the battery and the BMS. And here you can see the number 80, and here you connect the B0. And those are BMS cable. And here is the P1. This is wire for the display screen. This part is about the handle. Okay, we are already assembled this battery, and here is the switch. Let's press the button, and you can see this colorful display screen, and you can choose the language here. Yes, English, and you can hear this the main screen. You can see the voltage, current, and here you can see the voltage. You can see and this is alarm system. We check these batteries, and here you can see this. This has the fire extinguisher we had already installed, and we put on the cell compression plate. This is the wheel part, and there are 4 wheels, and it's very easy to take anywhere. This is the entire battery pack, and we already finished, and we used to connect this Bluetooth by the mobile phone. Here, this is the application. It's very normal. You see the red light after assembly, and because the password was light before, and you can change the password on the mobile phone application, and you can see that, and change the new password. Okay, you can see the red light. These are all the members of the battery pack assembly, and you can, I want to say this, the heat pad. If you are in the cold country, you can choose this. Okay, and if you have any questions, leave your message under the video. Bye bye.